When I was young, I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. How I wondered where they'd gone. But they're back again, just like a long-lost friend. All the songs I love so well, every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. It was songs of love that I would sing to them, and I'd memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt the years away. Every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can even make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shines. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. Every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shines. Every shing-a-ling.
I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. And all my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, of God. I love your voice. You will lead me through the fire, and in darkest night, you were close like no other. I've known you as a father, I've known you as a friend, and I have lived in the goodness of God. Yeah. And all my life you have been faithful. Oh, and all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Yeah.
Po, Tita, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and always take care. Wish ko po na magkaroon kayo ng long life and good health and more blessings to come.
Birthday is just another 365 days around the sun. Enjoy the trip, Tita! Happy birthday!
Birthday po.
Hi Tita Lilia, happiest birthday sa iyo. Happy 60th birthday sa iyo. Ayan. So first of all, I would like to thank you for everything, for your extending help whenever I needed. And alam ko na alam mo na po 'yun. Ayan. So thank you. And then also I wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. Good health kasi yan, yung health is very important. Yeah, having a good health. And then also, ano pa ba? Wish you many years of blessings. Follow you wherever you go. So, yun lang naman po. And enjoy the night. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Tita Lilia. More blessings. And good health. Stay healthy. And God bless you always.
Happy birthday sa tita kong Freety na si Tita Lilia. Hi, happy birthday. Kasil tan biskog gilaman tanto kuya bilay sudkuro kun Diyos sa katawan. And enjoy your day and God bless po. And I love you, Tita. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Lilia. Pasensya na po, hindi nakapunta ang family Andoy. Wish po namin na palagi kayong maging healthy. Many more birthdays to come. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Happy birthday po.
Happiest birthday po, Ninang Lilia. Enjoy your special day po. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Lilia. Pasensya ka na, hindi ako nakauwi. Alam mo yung pala kami ng trabaho natin. So, wish ko sa'yo more birthdays to come, saka more candles to blow. Yun lang. Enjoy your day, saka ingat lagi.
Hi Ate Lel! Happy birthday! I wish you have a good health and many more birthdays to come. God bless!
Oy.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, Ate Lilia!
Happy birthday, Ate Lilia! More birthdays
to come! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung celebration mo ngayon.
Happy Alfonso!
Alfonso. Ang anong Alfonso? Ay, yung O, yan, si Christian. Dito kami sa tabing dagat. Sana makarating din kayo dito, Ate Lilia, lahat.
Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday. Kuya Lito, pasyar kayo mo dyan.
Nang Pangasinan na yung Bicolano. Okay, bye-bye po.
Bye-bye.
My dear sister, thank you for all the fun we had when we were younger. I wish you all the blessings you deserve. Be kind as always. Happiest birthday to you. I love you, sister.
Hello, sister. Happy birthday. Sana sa birthday mo, sa araw ng birthday mo, sana lalo kang masaya at bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday. Kasama ko yung apo mong maganda, mana sa luluboy niya. Ingat ka lagi, ha. Okay. Ayan, Libby. Babati tayo sa birthday ng lola mo. Okay na, sige. Lagi kang mag-ingat. Love you, sister. Okay.
Happy birthday, Ma! Thank you for doing all the best that you could for this family and especially for Julia.
Thank you for being the most wonderful mother-in-law any girl could ask for. We love you!
Ma, happy birthday. Hiling ko lang, sana maging maayos at masaya ang iyong kaarawan at magtapos ng mapayapa. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessings at marami pang kaarawan na may celebrates. At sana bigyan ka rin ng lakas at kalusugan upang mapagtagumpayan mo ang mga hamon na darating sa iyo. At maraming salamat nga pala sa walang sawa mong pagsuporta at pagbibigay ng mga magagandang payo sa amin. At yun lang, maligayang kaarawan.
Game na. Ikaw na. Huwag kang seryoso na, tatawa-tawa ka pa eh. Wala nang take to take yan, malamig dito sa labas. Wala ako jacket. Game na.
Hi Mama Lilia, happy 60th birthday. Thank you for everything. I'm so blessed to have you as my mother-in-law. Thank you po sa lahat ng suporta niyo po ni Papa Lito sa amin po ni Charlie. Hiling ko lang po kay Lord na sana bigyan pa po kayo ng mahabang buhay at malusog na pangangatawan. Ingat po kayo palagi and we miss you po and we love you. Mwah!
Yun na yan? Bilis naman. Ako na. Una sa lahat, maraming salamat po kay Papa God at binigyan niyang muli ng panibagong taon ang nag-iisang reyna ng buhay namin, si Mama Lilia. At syempre maraming salamat din sa lahat ng nag-organize ng birthday niyo, Ma. Kay Tita Galo, kay Tito Raymond, Tita Brenda, kay Larando, Joanne, at Jam. Sid, syempre kay Papa. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Syempre sa mga kamag-anak. Big thanks nga din pala kay Randolph. Siya ang nag-install ng masisilungan dyan. Kaya tol, saludo sa'yo. Hello, Ma. Kumusta ka na? Kayo ni Papa. Kayo, lahat dyan. Kumusta na? Parang kailan lang mo. Kayo, 60 na kayo. Tumatanda na po kayo, Ma. Ingat kayo lagi, Ma, ni Papa, para sa aming magkakapatid. At sa nag-iisa niyong apo sa ngayon na si Dam. Sayang, Ma, wala ako dyan. Para kasamang mag-celebrate ng 60th birthday nyo. Di tuloy ako makakatikim ng lechon. Pero, Ma, basta ang importante, nag-enjoy kayo dahil sabi nyo nga, pinakamahalagang birthday nyo to, 60 ba naman? Thank you, Lord. Sana marami pang birthday ang susunod para mas marami pang memories ang magawa. Kahit simple lang, ang importante masaya. At saka, Ma, maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta nyo sa aming magkakapatid. Kayo ni Papa, kung wala kayo, wala kami kung saan kami ngayon. Yung goal ko, Ma, lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo, walang katumbas na pera at mahalagang kayamanan sa mundong to na sana matulungan ko rin yung mga kapatid ko. Madala ko rin dito sa Canada at makapagsimula at unti-unting matubad ang mga pangarap ng bawat isa. Since kami ngayon nagsisimula pa lang, sana wag silang mainip dahil ang pagiging isang foreign worker hindi talaga siya madali. So, kaya dasal lang tayo, kapit lang at kumilos tayo para naman may mapuntahan lahat ng pinagpapaguran natin. Yun ang pinakamagandang regalo namin para sa inyo. Ang nakikita nyo kaming maayos at may direksyon ng buhay. At syempre, makakarating din kayo rito, Ma. Pangarap ko rin yun. Ang pinakakalaban kasi natin ngayon sa buhay ang inip at ang pasensya. Kaya dapat kumilos talaga para Di tayo mainip maghanap ng pagkakakitaan hanggang sa dumating ang araw na pinakahihintay natin. Basta salamat sa lahat ng suporta niyo ni Papa sa aming magkakapatid, lalo na sa aming mag-asawa. Di nyo talaga kami binigo kahit kailan. Wish ko lang lahat ng pinaka-best ngayon, 60th birthday nyo. Ma, thank you for all the times I forgot to thank you. For all the special little things you do. For all the words that sometimes go unspoken. I need to say I love you, Ma. And of course, both Papa, I love you both. I love you for the way you stop and listen, and for your kind support throughout the years, for teaching me the meaning of compassion and sharing in my triumphs and my tears. And if at times I may have seemed ungrateful, and I want to say I truly hope you see that nothing you have done has been forgotten. And day by day, you just more mean to me. Again, Ma, happy 60th birthday. At maraming salamat sa lahat dyan na sumuporta at nag-organize ng birthday ni Mama. Sana makabawi rin kami sa inyo in the future. Kami naman, kung kailangan nyo ng tulong namin, andito lang kami. Maraming salamat. Again, saludo sa inyo. God bless. At again, Ma, happy 60th birthday. Ingat po kayo lagi. I love you.
Today is a very special day. Today is the day we celebrate. Today's the day that you were born, a wonderful and happy day. Today is a very special day. Today is the day we celebrate. Today's the day that you were born. We thank God for you today. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We thank God for you today. Remembering those nice days